Mary made $6,258 last month from affiliate marketing as a complete beginner with a full-time job, and I'm going to break down her exact process. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online if you do it right. Here's the idea. Find a product someone else made, get a unique affiliate link, promote the product with your link by making content, and earn money every time someone buys through you. You don't need a website, fancy tools, or a big budget to start affiliate marketing. What you do need is a process that's simple, lazy, and actually works, which is what I'll show you. You'll learn how to do the research, pick a product, create content using AI, and get that content in front of the right people to start earning commissions. Let's dive in. Step 1. Research and pick a niche. Think about what you're interested in and pay attention to the types of articles and videos that you watch. Which topics grab your attention? Have you bought any products based on other people's recommendations? What were they? Once you have a few ideas of the niche that you want to write articles and promote products for, it's time to do some research to make sure that other people are also interested in the niche. Now is also a good time to find some keywords. My interest is in productivity, so let's use that as an example, but you can do this whole process for any niche you like, such as cooking, health and fitness, learning, and so on. So let's do some keyword research. Open Google Trends in your browser. It's free, and it helps you see what's trending right now. Type productivity or whatever your niche is into the search bar and hit enter. Set it on worldwide, and look at the past 30 days to start. Look at the graph to see how interest in the topic has changed over time. If the interest is stable or trending upward, that's a green light to stick to your niche. If it doesn't look good, scrap your idea and research another niche you're interested in. Then, scroll down to see related topics and queries. These are keywords people are actively searching for. I've seen keywords such as increase productivity, productivity management, and how to increase productivity. Write these down. They're valuable for content ideas, which brings me to the next step. Step 2. Gather ideas and keywords. Next, head to Ubersuggest or a similar keyword research tool. Ubersuggest is free for basic searches and provides a lot of detail. Enter one of the terms you found, like productivity management. Hit search. Look at the results page. You'll see the search volume, how many people search for this term each month, and SEO difficulty, how hard it is to rank for this keyword. Ideally, you want keywords with a decent search volume and low difficulty. Scroll down on Ubersuggest to see related keywords and questions. These are even more specific ideas you can use. These are called long-tail keywords, and they're usually easier to rank for because they're less competitive. Now, let's see what's already working on YouTube. Open YouTube and type one of your keywords, like productivity, into the search bar. Look at the auto suggestions YouTube gives you. These are phrases people are actively typing in. Write those down too. Click on a few videos in the search results. Pay attention to the titles and the number of views. Read the comments to find more clues about what viewers are looking for. For example, someone might comment, "I wish I had something that would help me stay organized and consistent." That's your golden opportunity to promote a product that solves that problem. Once you've done some digging, it's time to move to the next step. Step 3. Find a product to promote. We're going to use ClickBank for this, which is one of the most beginner-friendly affiliate marketplaces. Go to clickbank.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Log in, and at the top of the page, click Affiliate Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the products you can promote. In the marketplace, there's a search bar. Type in productivity and hit enter. The results will show a list of products related to that keyword. Each product has stats like gravity score, average conversion, and whether it offers recurring commissions. The gravity score tells you how many affiliates are successfully promoting that product right now. For beginners, you'll want a gravity score between 20 and 100. That range means the product is popular enough to sell, but not so competitive that you'll struggle to stand out. Also, look for products with medium to high commissions. This way, even a small number of sales can add up to a decent income. When you find a product you like, click the Promote button. A window will pop up asking for your ClickBank nickname. Enter it, click Generate Hop Link, and you'll get your unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll include in your content, and it's how you'll get credit for any sales. Now, make sure to download any good images of your chosen product, which you can find in the ClickBank description or landing page. We'll be using this later. Step 4. Create content. Now, we need content to promote the product. You can create YouTube videos, faceless TikTok pages, and so on. But in this tutorial, I'm focusing on writing SEO-optimized blog articles that we can publish online to get traffic and clicks on our affiliate link. To write a blog article, head over to ChatGPT, log in or sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. Here's where we make this whole process ridiculously easy. Start by giving ChatGPT a prompt to create a blog outline. You could give it a prompt like this. Add as much detail as possible in your prompt. ChatGPT will generate an outline in seconds. You'll see sections like an introduction, individual tips, and a conclusion. Next, ask ChatGPT to expand that outline into a full article. Use a prompt like this. Let ChatGPT do its thing. Once the article is ready, read through it and prompt for any changes or edits you want. Once you're generally happy, copy and paste the ChatGPT script into a Google Doc and read through it line by line. Fact-check anything that needs to be verified. Edit the tone so it sounds like you. If you have any personal experiences with productivity tools, add those in. Real-life examples build trust with your readers. Step 5. Publish your article. You can publish your article on your own website or on any platforms that you think it would do well in. If you're a beginner, I would recommend publishing your article on Medium. It's already well established and has millions of people using it, so it's easier for people to find your posts than if you were to publish them yourself. Head to medium.com and create an account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click Write a Story. Copy and paste your article into the editor. Medium's editor is super easy to use. Highlight any text you want to format, like subheadings or bolded phrases, and Medium will give you options to style it. Add the images that you downloaded earlier from ClickBank by clicking the little plus icon where you want the image to appear. Then, add your affiliate link. Highlight the text where you mention the productivity planner, click the chain icon in the formatting bar, and paste your ClickBank link. For example, after tip 3 in your article, you might write, "Struggling to organize your tasks? Check out this planner," and then insert your link. Include the link again in the conclusion with a strong call to action like, "Don't wait until it's too late to organize your life. Try this planner today," and then include your affiliate link. When your article looks good, hit Publish. Medium will ask you to add tags to help people find your story. Use tags like productivity, time management, and productivity tips. Your article is live, but that's just the start. You need people to read it. Share your Medium link on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Join Facebook groups related to productivity and share your article when it fits the conversation. You can also post in Reddit communities like RR Productivity, but make sure you're adding value, not just spamming links. And that's the system. You can repeat this process with different products or even write multiple articles promoting the same product. The more content you have out there, the more chances you have to earn commissions. Here's a quick recap. Start by researching your niche ideas with Google Trends. Find keywords for your chosen niche using Google Trends, Ubersuggest, and YouTube. Use ClickBank to find a product with good stats. Let ChatGPT help you create a killer article and publish it on Medium with your affiliate links. Promote your content to get readers and watch the sales roll in. It's simple, lazy, and effective. Have you tried affiliate marketing before? Are you planning to? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.